Welcome my lovely viewers, this is LIT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you Firefox is not running, settings off in Mozilla Firefox browser. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox that I have been pinned in my taskbar. Click here, go to the Mozilla Firefox browser. You will click the three bar icon, entering the settings option. Here on the front page in general we will get it scrolling below, then we will find it. So how? See here the Firefox update. So here I have on it before. Now I want to off this thing. So we will unmark. See it not working. So first I will select it here. See, then the option has been unmarking. So I have marking this and I have unmarking this. Remember it. First I'm marking this option, then open this. From here I will unmarking this thing, then again I will select this thing. See, in this way the thing has been off. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.